birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cameron. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. How old are you?
4.
You're what?
4.
You're 4? Oh. What's on your floor?
Balloons.
Did you see who's on the balloons?
No.
Who's that?
Marshall.
Who's on this one?
Chase.
Oh, cool. Chase is on the case, isn't he?
What's on your bed?
Balloon. What is it?
Hey, I love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.